Students, in this class we will discuss symbols of elements and Latin names. First of all, we will see symbol. A chemical symbol is a shorthand representation of chemical elements. Without writing complete name of element, we will use symbol. A chemical symbol is a shorthand representation of chemical elements. John Berzelius suggested that initial letter of an element from its name in English written in capital should be the symbol of that element. John Berzelius suggested that initial letter or first letter of the element from its name in English written in capital should be the symbol of that elements. For example, symbol of hydrogen is capital H. Symbol of boron is capital B. Symbol of carbon is capital C. Symbol of nitrogen is capital N. Symbol of oxygen is capital O. Symbol of fluorine is capital F. If first letter is same, then use second letter or appropriate letter along with first letter. For example, symbol of aluminium is capital A small l. Symbol of argon is capital A small r. Symbol of arsenic is capital A small s. Symbol of astatine is capital A small t. Symbol of barium is capital B small a. Symbol of beryllium is capital B small e. Symbol of bismuth is capital B small I. Symbol of bromine is capital B small r. Symbol of calcium is capital C small a. Symbol of cadmium is capital C small d. Symbol of chlorine is capital C small l. Symbol of chromium is capital C small r. Symbol of neon is capital N small e. Symbol of nickel is capital N small I. Symbol of nihonium is capital N small h. Symbol of niobium is capital N small b. Symbol of nobelium is capital N small o. Symbol of palladium is capital P small d. Symbol of platinum is capital P small t. Symbol of praseodymium is capital P small r. Symbol of promethium is capital P small m. Symbol of plutonium is capital P small u. Students, remember, when 2 or 3 letters are taken, first letter should be capital and remaining letter should be small. When 2 or 3 letters are taken in a symbol, first letter should be capital and remaining letter should be small. For example, if you write capital C and small o, it represents cobalt. If you write capital C and capital O, it represents carbon monoxide. Symbols of some elements are derived from their Latin names. For example, antimony, Latin name is stibium, symbol is capital S small b. Copper, Latin name is cuprum, symbol is capital C small u. Gold, Latin name is aurum, symbol is capital A small u. Iron, Latin name is ferrum, symbol is capital F small e. Lead, Latin name is plumbum, symbol is capital P small b. Mercury, Latin name is hydroxyrum, symbol is capital H, small g. Potassium Latin name is Kalium. Symbol is capital K. Silver Latin name is Argentum. Symbol is capital A, small g. Sodium Latin name is Natrium. Symbol is capital N, small a. Tin Latin name is Stannum. Symbol is capital S, small n. Tungsten. Actually, it is not Latin name, it is German name. Tungsten German name is Wolfram. So, symbol is capital W. Students, remember, out of total elements, symbols of 10 elements are taken from their Latin names and symbol of one element is taken from its German name. These are very important. Now we will see previous questions. Latin name of tungsten is. Here given options are option 1 stannum, option 2 wolfram, option 3 stibbium, option 4 plumbum. Actually it is not Latin name, it is German name, but in some textbooks it is also given as Latin name. Latin name of tungsten is wolfram. So correct option is option 2. Second question. Symbol of tungsten is. Here given options are option 1 capital H, small g, option 2 capital W, option 3 capital T, option 4 capital T, small g. Symbol of tungsten is capital W because its German name is wolfram. So correct option is option 2. Students, all of you take notes, prepare well. We will continue in next class. If you like this video lesson, please like, comment and share to your friends. Subscribe our channel.